What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy New Year, and may 2023 be a great, healthy, and prosperous new year for you and your family and those you care about. Alright, so we're going to kick off the new year with a brand new video from a brand new company that we've never featured on the show. So, a little newness here. This is Benks. If you haven't heard of them, they have some pretty cool gear out there. Of course, it's tech, right? So today we're going to take a look at not only their cooler, which is like amazing, and if you're a big gamer, say you like to take your iPhone out and do a bunch of gaming and stuff with it, and you've got some of those accessories that you can even take it to the next level, like you're playing like a mini Nintendo Switch or something, right? Then this is a great solution. Or if you like use it outdoors in the heat, you know, take it to the beach, whatever. This is another perfect solution for that. So what they have here is their cooling wireless charger. All right, and the technology in this is not just a fan. All right, we're going to get into that because this has got some pretty kick butt stuff where you can actually feel the surface of this. It's cold. So this is the name. It's the Cooling Wireless Charger Model W07. There's its size. Its color is black. And yeah, that's about really all they've got on here. It says silicon plus PC plus magnet plus aluminum. Its input is 5 volt 2 amps and 9 volt 2.22 amps. And then the model, again, W07. And that's about it, right? Let's just dive in and take a look at the actual charger itself so we can do this. Now, this isn't just for iPhones, okay? It does come with a magnet that you can apply to any phone and have it stick there. So there we go. There is our wireless charger. Now it's got some RGB lighting in it, a bunch of other little goodies that we'll get into here. And that's, looks like it's about it. Now, I thought it said, obviously I haven't opened this yet, that it did come with some kind of little stick-on magnet. So let's see if that's in here or if that was fictitious. Okay, I do not see it. So, unless it's, oh, it's on the back. There we go. There's our stick-on magnet. So you can use this on any little device you want, phone. If you've got an iPhone, it already works with MagSafe. So you're in the clear. It's even got a little protector if you don't want to get your phone with a sticky on it. Alright, and a little instruction manual, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual charger itself. As you can see here, it's got kind of a rubbery feeling back. Now this is the part that gets cold. You can see it's got a fan. It's got a really neat look. It is USB-C, and it's got a nice little Velcro cable management here. So you'll also see some RGB lighting going on here in a minute. So if you're a gamer, you're going to like that perspective. Now, let's look at their case. Now they've got some cases too. I particularly like this one here. This is designed for the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this is basically the Magclap. I think they call it the Biliz Cooling. It's kind of like a Blizzard, but it's Biliz Cooling Case. And it's Freezemat tech is what they're calling it, right? So it can actually cool, I think, 2.3 degrees Celsius. And it basically lets it breathe out the heat and then breathe in the cool. So this is a great case to manage your basically your overall temperature of your phone, right? And what's neat about this too is it's got good protection bumper wise. It's got a little cleaning brush in here. How cool is that? Let's be sure we get that out before we... Oh, we left a little tape residue behind. Okay, so that's maybe not the best place to put that. Oh, never mind. Gotta get that out. There we go. So there is our Biliz Cooling Case. So let's go ahead and slap that on my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And on. And there's our case. That looks pretty darn cool. Interesting note, this is a super thin case. Super thin, but very, very neat. And then so what you do is you basically, this is the magnetic zone. This is where you would put your cooling, right? It's got 3 modes. So it's got basically, now this is called the Magclap cooling wireless charger. Everything's Magclap, alright? So this one here, it's got cooling mode, it's got charging mode, and it's got cool and charge mode. So you've got 3 different modes to choose from. Again, it's got the magnetic stickers. This has got a 15 watt max wireless charging capability. So, you know, 15 watts, that's pretty fast charging. And it's supposed to be noise-free cooling. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn it on. And we will demonstrate the coolness, pun intended, of this little cooler. And if we turn on our charger, there we go. Ooh, look at that RGB. Now, the fan's running, okay? That fan is running in there. You hear nothing. That is not even whisper quiet. That's just like, there's no sound. Okay? So what's going on right now is kind of fan mode. Oh, yeah, it's getting cold already. Man, that thing, it is cold to the touch. So basically, you're going to asphyxiate that onto your phone. And look at that. That's cool. That is really, really neat. There we go. Now the fan looks like it quit running. Nope, it's kicked back in. I guess you can, it's whisper quiet. I can hear it. I heard it kick back in. That is one slick looking device. Now, we're not charging. Let's see if we can charge. Boom. We're charging. Okay. So now we're cooling and charging. That's one of the modes. Shake test. Right? You're going to be gaming with this thing, right? You don't want it to be like some loosey-goosey that's going to come off and be in your way. No. No. That's shaking pretty vigorously. That baby's magnetically on there. Super good. You're not going to have to worry about that. So, that is one slick-looking setup right there. Imagine putting some controllers on both sides and sitting here and just like gaming away like this on your iPhone. And keeping it cool and protected in the same matter. Maybe you throw your phone when you get frustrated in a game. Who knows? Feel free. Try to throw it. See what happens, right? And then basically, the last mode in here is just charge. So we're charging, and we've got no cooling going on. Alright guys, again, you don't have to have an iPhone for this. It does have a protective thing and then also a magnetic sticker. So this will stick to any phone, Android, whatever, and allow you to still cool. And they do have cases for numerous phone types and models out there, so feel free, check it out. I will have a link in the show notes for all this good, cool tech. So if you're interested, give it a click, go check it out. And you get this little cleaning brush, because this case obviously, by the way, has these little crevices more so than most cases, so you can actually clean it out. It's like a little razor cleaning brush or something there. But anyway, Benks, the Magclap wireless charger, cooling wireless charger, and then their Magclap Biliz Cooling Case that actually lets, you know, heat out and cool in. And that's what you want. Think of it as like a data center, right? When you got a big data center, you've got a hot and a cool out, right? The goal is to take that hot air out and usher in that cool air. This case does that with that Freezemat technology. Very, very cool. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show. Again, Happy New Year, guys, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.